Hey everyone! So there's all sorts of pallet projects all over the internet. There's some awesome DIY crafts and other things you can do with pallet wood. The problem is, pallets are a pain to rip apart. They're so time consuming to actually get the wood, it's sometimes not even worth it. But I found a way to cut the time in half, at least for myself. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I do it. First, get your tools. So the tools that I use for this process are going to be a pry bar, a hammer, a nail set of pliers, and a skill saw. You could also use a jigsaw, or if you're feeling really ambitious, maybe a little crazy, a handsaw, but it won't take you a while. Next, you're gonna grab your pallet. Now that you have your pallet, you're going to grab your saw. To start, you are going to cut on the inside of each outer support. So you're gonna cut inside here, you're gonna cut inside here, flip it over, cut the other side. That's only gonna leave the one middle support left. You may be wondering why I cut them and didn't just pry them off. Well, it's just a pain. It's so time consuming, and a lot of the time you split the wood that way. Yes, you're losing probably an inch of wood, but trust me, it is worth the aggravation and frustration to lose that little bit to keep going on the rest of the project. So now you've got your side supports off. Now you see it's kind of just wobbly. So this is where your pry bar and your hammer come in. Your pry bar under. With this step, you're really gonna wanna take your time. This is where you're gonna lose the most wood if you're not super careful. Now your pallet wood has, well, a bunch of nails in it. Stick them down, stick them up. So now you have all your nails down here. You're gonna wanna use your hammer to nail them back through the other way. Flip it over, pull them out. This is where your nail set will come in. Pallets are used multiple times, and the wood has, well, multiple nails in it. Most of them are cut off. So if you look at your board, you'll see there's other nails that were in there. If you leave these in, it could really mess up a saw blade eventually. So we're gonna get them taken out. Grab your nail set. Put it over where the nail is. Just hammer it through. And you have something to grab onto on the other side. Pallets have so many nails in them. It's insane. And you want to get them all out, otherwise they're really going to ruin a blade. So, 2 tools that were highly recommended by Paul Jackman of Jackman Works, also on YouTube, definitely check him out, really enjoy watching him, are these 2 things. They will save you so much time and money. This just is a metal detector. So if you can't see them, it'll let you know where they are, that way you don't ruin a blade. And this is a nail punch. It is going to be so helpful with getting your nails out. It's gonna be so much quicker than just using a hammer. So, I'm gonna show you how to use it. And find your nail, pry it up. Nail. Alright. Stick it over your nail. You can use it to straighten them out, which is super handy. Then, magic. Punches it all the way through. So nice. All right. That one did not come out. So now you've got your pallets all deconstructed. Now it's time to do a project. I might add that it usually takes more than 1 pallet in order to do a project, whether it's because the wood splits and is not very usable, or you just need multiples of a certain size that the pallet may only have 1 or 2 of. So make sure you've got a couple pallets in order to do a project, and then worst case scenario, you've got some firewood for that post-project celebration.